Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can close your user account in a SoloLearn application on mobile. So let us begin. So let me launch the SoloLearn app, and you will need to access your account settings. If you don't know how to do that, guys, all you need to do is tap into these three dots here you see and select settings from the drop down menu. And after that, guys, here under the account settings, swipe down a bit and tap into the lowermost option, which is delete account. And after that, simply confirm by tapping into this delete account below. Now, I'm not going to do this because I would like to keep this user account, but you may read through that disclaimer here, guys, to learn about the deletion, because if you delete your account, it can be undone, and it will also result in the final and irreversible deletion of all of your content. For example, you have created codes you have created and also all account connections. So guys, let me tap into that arrow to the left icon to return to the previous menu, and that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.